Now, if you plan on writing an article on a blog in order for you to rank in Google and then join the search engine, I think whether the first page or the second page, this is what I want you to do. Now, I want you to head on to Google Trends. All right. So once you're on Google Trends, this is what you're going to do. I want you to go on and then set the country to the preferred country. I'm using United States for the meantime. All right. So I'm going to look for United States. All right. So this is United States. Okay, so United States. Now, mostly when you reach the United States, you are going to be asked to select the specific area of the United States that you want. So we are going to be using origins. All right, so I'm going to take origins as an example. Then we are still going to remain on the past 24 hours. All right, so once you're on the 24 hours, the categories based on the blog that you're writing. Are you writing a tech blog? Are you writing a health blog? All right, so I'm going to go through the categories and select from one of them. All right. So in the categories, I'm talking about health. So I'm going to take health. I'm talking about technology. I'm going to take about technology. So depending on what you want. All right. So let's say an example, I take health. All right. So we have two results for health. Perfect. Now, now on health, we have Bray Johnson and then we have Sanjay Gupta, something like that. Yes, for health that is trending in the United States. So you're just going to click on that and then see what the post is about and why it is trending. All right. So within the blog post, I can have it here as anti-aging influencer Bray Johnson. I have Bray Johnson that and then all this around this section. So I'm going to take Bray Johnson from the search. All right. So once it is being selected, I'm going to copy that. Once I have copied that, I'm going to go on to keyword planner. Yes. So I want you to go on to keyword planner from the description box and then sign up. Now, once you have signed up, I want you to come on to this area which says discover new keywords. Click on that and then I want you to paste that into it. All right. Then you're going to click on this area where it says Ghana. We are going to set it to the United States. All right. So let me search for that. So the United States. All right. Now I'm going to remove Ghana from it because this keyword is not ranking in Ghana. It's only ranking in the United States. All right. So I'm going to click on save. Now, once you click on save, I want you to click on get results. Now, when you click on get results, let's see if this key. All right. So this is it. Now, the competition for this keyword is very low. And I think I have um the main keyword Bray Johnson that is being searched at 22 competition in the search console. Then I have I'm actually looking at those with the low competition with a top page bid and then also a top page bid high again here for this section. And then still as I say 25, then we have Johnson Bray at $25, $22.72. That is as a low competition. All right. So we are going to be looking for low competition with good earnings around this side or good bids around this region. All right. Then you're going to select that. All right. So once you have selected this keyword, anytime you write a blog post, yes, I want you to be including these keywords into the blog post. So you can just go on to Google Trends and then look for those blog posts that are ranking. All right, so let's say like this one. Then open up post. I have a script in the description box. You can select that script, yes. Then I want you to copy the entire blog post from this section on this website. Now, so once you have copied it, I want you to add it to the script. Make sure you tell the script that the keyword section, yes, put that keyword. You can take two keywords from the Google Keywords Planner, then you add it to your blog post. So when you take those two keywords from Keyword Planner, you just add it to the script and then you add ChatGPT to write the blog post for you again. That is how it is going to be. So when you are able to do that, now the script, as I said, is provided in the description box. So just copy the script and then send it to any text editor. Add the keywords at the keyword section of the text editor or the documents that you have copied from the the script. Then I want you to copy the website blog post, the post from the website, and then add it to your script. And I want you to ask ChatGPT to rewrite it again. Once it is being written, don't look for plagiarism or just publish them on your blog post. They are all new, fresh contents that are yet to be indexed. So if you are being rewritten, it's going to be plagiarism is going to somehow look difficult. Yes. Then publish them on your blog post. Then give yourself like 1-2 days, and you're going to rank yourself in Google Search Console. It is going to shock you, by the way. I'm Mike Educate. Thank you for watching.